Hello, and thanks for joining today's video. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the simple process of changing your country setting in the chess.com app on your Android phone. Whether you want to update your profile or reflect your current location, this step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and easily. First, open the chess.com app on your Android phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the option labeled More. Then, from the menu that appears, select Settings. After that, tap on Profile to open your account information. Once inside your profile, scroll down until you find the Country option. Tap on Country, and a list of countries will appear. Now, select the country you wish to set for your profile. Finally, make sure to tap the Save icon at the top right corner to confirm your changes. To sum up, changing your country in the chess.com app is a straightforward process that takes only a few moments. Just follow these steps carefully, and your profile will be updated in no time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.